If you sell on Etsy, you know that finding new ways to make more money is always interesting. Some ideas work well, while others don't. But I believe this new Etsy feature is that idea that works. It can help you get more customers and, more importantly, make more sales. Let me explain why this new feature is worth trying and how you can use it. Etsy has created a new way for you to sell items that go well together. Think of it like this. If you sell matching t-shirts or jewelry sets, you can now offer a small discount, buy more than one item at the same time. This is convincing people to spend more and in turn helps you make more sales. It's a way to offer bundles where the customers save money and you make more money. In fact, people love to save money, and even a small discount can make them feel like they are getting a good deal. This new feature gives you a chance to show your buyers why it's better to buy more than one item from your shop. And setting this feature up is simple. Go to the Etsy dashboard, click on the Marketing tab. Under that, find Sales and Discounts. Look for the new option to offer products together at a lower price. Now click on it. From there, you can pick up to 3 items that go well together and decide on a discount. For example, you might choose to offer 10% off when someone buys a matching necklace and earrings. Once you set it up, buyers will see a special box on your product page. This box will let them know they can save if they buy both items. They can easily click on the box, add the items to their cart, and check out with a discount applied. This works similarly to what you see on sites like Amazon with their frequently buy together section. It encourages people to add more items to their carts, increasing the chances of a bigger sale for you. Here is why I think this new feature can make a huge difference. First, it helps you sell more. Before, you might have mentioned related items in your product descriptions or photos, hoping buyers would check them out. Now, Etsy makes it easy to show customers that they should buy more items together. It's right there in front of them with a clear reason to buy more. When shoppers see they can save money, they are more likely to buy extra items. It also offers small discounts that make a big difference. You don't need to offer a huge discount for this to work. Even 10% off can make people feel like they are getting a deal. And when they feel that way, they are more likely to spend more. That means more money in your pocket with just a little incentive for the customers. And don't forget, it is also free to use. This feature doesn't cost you anything extra to use it. It's built into Etsy, and all you need to do is take a little time to set it up. Once it is up, you can start seeing results quickly. For small sellers like us, who don't have a lot of money for big marketing campaigns, this tool can make a real difference. You can guide buyers to spend more without spending any extra money yourself. Now, let's talk about how you can take full advantage of this feature. First, choose products that work well together. Look through your shop. Do you see products that naturally go together? Maybe a pair of matching earrings or a necklace or a set of home decor items. Pick items that make sense to buy together. If you are unsure, think about what you would want to buy as a customer. You should also set a discount that makes sense. You don't have to give a big discount for this feature to work. A small discount like 5% or 10% can be enough to encourage buyers. Remember, the goal is to make your customers feel like they are saving money, but you don't want to give away too much. Keep the discount small so that it doesn't hurt your profits. Once your bundle is live, make sure you let people know. You can add a note to your product description, share the offer on your social media, or even send out an email if you have a mailing list. The more people see your offer, the more likely they are to take advantage of it. Now, you might be asking, will this really work for my shop? The truth is, it can help any seller who has items that go together. This feature gives you control over how you guide your customers instead of hoping they stumble upon your other products. You can show them exactly what goes together and why they should buy both. You are no longer just offering one product. You are offering a package deal, which gives your buyers more value. For those of us who want to increase sales but don't have big budgets, this is a great tool. You don't need an extra money to use it, and you can start seeing results very quickly. With just a little bit of time spent setting it up, you can create a new way to grow your shop. And this new bundle feature can give you the boost you have been looking for. It helps you sell more without extra cost or complicated steps. You can easily show buyers why they should spend more in your shop, which will lead to higher sales. If you are a seller on Etsy, take advantage of this tool. Look at your products, set up a smart discount, and see how it helps you. Remember, you are not just selling products. You are offering a great deal that encourages your buyers to buy more. This small change can make a big difference in your shop success.